Okay, my friends, I'm so excited to tell you who our word problem is about today. Drum roll, please. Our word problem today is about Sebastian. Listen carefully as I tell you our story about Sebastian, friends, and I want you to get a really clear picture in your mind of what's happening in this story. Sebastian is really lucky in our story today. Here's why. Sebastian opened up his wallet at home and he took out a bunch of money and he counted it. And Sebastian counted $300. I know, that's a lot. Sebastian's a lucky guy. No, he counted $300 and then he wondered something. He thought about what we're learning in math and he had a question for himself. He wondered, if I had only $10 bills in my wallet, how many $10 bills would I need to get to $300? We're going to help him figure that out today. We're going to start how we always start by reading our problem. And as we read, I want you to get a picture in your head. I want you to visualize and get a picture in your head of what's happening, just like this little girl is getting a picture in her head as she's reading her problem. If it helps you, close your eyes while I read so you get a picture in your head of what's happening here. Sebastian wants to know how many $10 bills are in $300. Okay, open your eyes, friends. Who can raise a brave hand and tell us what is our story about today? And here you'll call in a handbill. I'd start by calling on kids who you feel very confident can retell the word problem well. If you need to help, that's okay, you can help. But what you're looking for kids to say here is Sebastian, wants to know how many $10 bills it would take to get to $300. And typically word problems are more, obviously a little bit more of a story than this. And so you're hoping for kids to just retell the story here, focusing on the context of what's happening. All right, good friends. We got it. Sebastian wants to know how many, let's circle our important information here. How many $10 bills would he need if he wanted to get all the way up to $300? How many tens would he need? Is Sebastian going to use any ones? No ones. Any 20s? No. Remember, he's just using tens. Okay, friends, we did a great job reading and getting a picture in our mind. Now it's your turn to draw. You can draw today using any strategy you want. But remember, what you're trying to find out is how many tens will he need to get to 300. I'm going to give you 4 minutes, and then I'm going to check in with you. If you finish before 4 minutes, try another strategy, okay? 4 minutes starts now, and I'd put up a timer here, and this should be pretty quiet work time so that kids can concentrate and really concentrate on showing the strategy. You don't want kids to show you their work until everyone has had a chance to finish.